How to increase Instagram reel views. Hello guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can increase the Instagram reel views. So let's get into it. First of all, you need to open your instagram.com or Instagram app, and then you need to go on to the reel that you want to increase the views for. This is the reel that I have, and I have 0 views for it right now. So I want to increase my views. So you need to click on these 3 dots when you open that reel, and it is going to basically give you the link of this reel. You have to copy this link, and then you need to open your Google Chrome or any search browser that you normally use. Go on and open your Chrome, and in there you are going to search for Instagram 5000, this specific thing. Like, you can basically copy these spellings, and I cannot pronounce it. Is some other language that you can go on and see that Instagram 5000. If you write Instagram 5000, you're also going to get this one. So just open this website, and what you need to do is you are basically going to open this, and now you can go on and translate it into English, because right now it is Turkish. You can just go on and translate it into English, and you can see that login with Instagram. So you have to basically log in with Instagram. Click on this option, and you have to provide an ID and a password, a username and password. So it is better that if you have any kind of not fake but a substitute Instagram ID for yourself, just give in these login. Do not give the login for your real Instagram, and just log in, and then you have to paste the URL that you have copied into the option, and when you paste that, they're basically going to increase the views for that specific reel. So it is that easy, guys, and it is a legit website. It is a legit platform. You can just go on and check that out, and you will be able to increase your views by 1000 to 1500. So it is that easy. So it was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care and goodbye.